Hey, what's happening, guys? Sorry it has been a couple of days since the last video. I have not been feeling well. Probably got a case of the man flu. You guys know how it is. As a guy, we have exactly two settings. We are either perfectly healthy and ready to take on the world, or we're dying. There's nothing in between. So, been dying for the last couple of days. But I am starting to feel a little bit better. So I thought we would open up this box, which, as you can see, is from PCBWAY. And I believe it is a swag bag from PCBWAY. I've done some projects with them in the past, and this is their 5th anniversary. If you don't know what PCBWAY is, it is a Chinese PCB board manufacturer. This is one of those places where you can whip up a PCB board in your favorite board design software, whether it's Easy, EDA, KiCad, Eagle, whatever. Send it off to them for a few bucks. In a couple of days, you get your board back. Actually, you get quite a few boards back. So, let's see what they've sent us. Well, we've got some stickers. Everybody loves stickers. Celebrating 5 years, PCBWAY. Very nice. We have a ruler. These are always cool because, you know, I'm a through-hole guy. So when I see surface mount component sizes, I don't know what's a 1206 or what's a something even smaller. So this would be nice to be able to look at that and see which way, you know, what we're looking at here. Here are a couple of Vero boards or experiment boards, you know, however you want to call it. A nice pen from PCBWAY. Very nice, thank you guys. Oh, a badge, which I assume lights up. We'll check that out with the battery. Oh, wow. Wow. This is some really nice stuff. Look at this. These are all badges. We'll take a closer look at that in a second. This is a piece of aluminum. Which looks like an aluminum squeegee. Okay. Okay. A very nice PCBWAY t-shirt. Oh, sorry, bumped it. Yeah, very nice. Of course, that is not going to fit me. I am a large mammal. Alright, let me get the box out of the way. So these are apparently some demos of the kind of work that PCBWAY does. And like I said, I've worked with them in the past. They do very nice work. I will say that. So this is just some, like I said, some demo boards here. I can't believe the response I've got off of those Arduino Maker Vidor boards. That's incredible. I really appreciate that. Yeah. So these are just some demos. Let's take a look at this badge they've sent us. So it uses a 2032 battery. A little switch designed by Akarasan, I guess. Alright, well, I guess we'll have to put a 2032 in there and have a look. Alright, 12032 battery. Not quite sure which way it goes in. Let's try it this way. Okay, probably not the right way, considering that nothing happened. Out. Oh, looks like I pushed it out the wrong way. That's my bad. But then I'm an idiot, so. Hey, how about that? So what have we got going on here? Well, it's kind of hard to tell. I don't really see a lot. I see a couple resistors. I guess that's it. A couple resistors powering some multicolor flashing surface mount device LEDs. But hey, that's pretty cool, right? And then there's a little mounting doodle here. I assume that goes through that hole somehow. Yeah, but that's pretty cool. And like I said, this is PCBWAY's 5th anniversary. And if you need PCB boards, well, they're certainly out there and ready to make them for you. Are they better than any of the other PCB board manufacturers? Couldn't really tell you. I've used a few of them. They all make PCB boards. The quality seems to be good in all of them. Dealer's choice, I guess. Anyway, I'd like to thank PCBWAY for sending out this nice little swag bag for us to take a look at, and congratulate them on their 5th anniversary. Thank you guys for watching. That's about all I got to say. Once I'm feeling better, we'll be moving on to other things like that guy, the sloth. Until then, feel free to like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Big thanks to all the patrons. Big thanks to you guys for watching. That's it. I'm out. Peace.